video of LeBron James dunking sold for over $200,000 as an NFT. And you know that rainbow cat meme they call Nyan Cat? He sold for approximately $500,000 in the form of an NFT. And Jack Dorsey, the guy that owns Twitter, is selling his first tweet for approximately $2 million. And just when you think the sky is the limit and the price can't get any higher, you have the artist that's called Beeple. He sold his digital art collection for over $60 million. It just makes you think if somebody close to home that you know that is popular, somebody that sets records, somebody who even breaks them, if that person could only make an NFT, it would make some serious cash, right? Wagwan peeps, my name is Demetress Fairman, and in this video I will tell you what an NFT is and how the fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt, can make some money from this investment venture. This is not advice, this is just what I think. Stay tuned. If you are a finance nerd like me, I guarantee that when you go on YouTube, you would see in your recommended somebody making millions of dollars from this thing that they call NFTs. What's interesting is that none of these NFTs are backed by any physical assets. They have no cash flow, they have no source, they are just digital assets, digital rights. So are you just owning air? Is it legit? To ask this question, I'm guessing you'd have to know what are NFTs in the first place. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens, and right there I'll stop because I mentioned two words that the average person won't have any idea what they mean. So let me break it down into parts. Let's talk about non-fungible. So think of it this way. I have $100 and I want to exchange it for another $100. I can get back the same value for another transaction. So basically that's fungible. But if I should talk about non-fungible, it would be me having like a playing card. For instance, what's popular right now? Pokemon cards. And if I have a Charizard Shadowless card, first edition, I cannot get that exchange for another one because I have a unique card. I have a one of a kind. I have something that can't be replaced or placed with equal value. So that is what non-fungible basically means. Token comes into play because this is on the same base, this is on the same blockchain system as a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum, where people stake their own money into smart contracts which they then customize with digital art. And after this process, people can buy, sell, trade, and exchange these tokens back to US dollars whenever they want. NFTs can be anything digital, so music, art, or some membership exclusive experience. But why do they have value? NFTs hold value for the same reason any piece of art holds value. People see it as an investment vehicle. It appreciates over time. Another reason could be that it's rare, it's one of a kind. And another could simply be for bragging rights. I want the rights of ownership. I want to be the only one that owns that piece of art. NFTs are digital, right? So why can't the creator actually make more and keep on selling it? Take for example, Logan Paul made 3,000 trading card editions of himself. He only sold 2,500 at a cost of $20,000. So what's actually stopping him from just making more of that same card and selling it? Well, the thing is, because it's on the blockchain, creators can't mint more of the same card. Because the way the blockchain works is that once you customize or sign a contract for that block on the blockchain, you can't tamper with that unless you are willing to break that chain and then make that block invalid. So everything on that blockchain would be invalid. That's for the same reason you can't make the same NFT and keep on selling it. You would have to make a second edition or another version of that NFT. However, it cannot be replicated. So why do I think this is a great investment vehicle for the fastest man alive? Well, basically, I see the space of NFTs being popular for music, art, and sports. With NBA Top Shot selling a video of LeBron James dunking for approximately $200, I see this market being boundless for athletes. NFTs will allow players to basically negotiate the rights to the footages of themselves playing and basically selling it to their biggest fans. It's basically a digital playing card that true fans would want. Imagine the feelings that athletes evoke in you, whether it's their highs or their lows. Imagine that moment when Usain Bolt won the gold medal and broke the world record, beating him chest. The feelings and the emotions that were in you boiling up at that moment makes you feel like you could do anything just because of what he had done. And for that reason, it's why these NFTs, playing cards, digital cards, any memorabilia of an athlete can be sold, because it's not only at face value, but it's feelings that those athletes evoke in you. Basically, that clip of Usain Bolt breaking the world record could be some form of memorabilia for his true fans. Yes, they can download it from YouTube, but to have the exclusive rights or the benefits that come along with that NFT to say that I am an owner of this piece of Usain Bolt's history. Another question might arise in your head. Yes, I get the point of selling it as a digital playing card, but can't I just download the image or download the video? What comes with ownership? And that basically just depends on the creator. Take for example, I am a recording artist and I sell one of my albums as an NFT. A benefit that I could put on that NFT is that any one of my fans that buys that NFT will not only get my album, they can also get as a benefit pre-release of any future albums, so they would be first to know. Another benefit could be that for as long as this artist is living, this fan will be a VIP at every concert free of cost because they were an NFT purchaser. So it depends on the creators and the type of benefits that they associate with their NFT. As a creator, how this would make sense, think of it this way. If Supreme sells a shirt that has their tag on it, Supreme, whenever that is sold, that's it. That's the only money Supreme will make. But if you know anything about the hypebeast culture, you know that once a reseller gets it, the price goes up. Another reseller gets it and the price just continue to go up and go up. However, Supreme doesn't get any of this money. Where NFT changes this game is that the creator can put in the contract that whenever this is resold, I will get a royalty or a certain percentage of the resale value. That's what the artist Beeple did. The opportunities are boundless. I mean, I could be a small YouTuber and you guys invest in me through my NFT. I will use this money to buy camera, lighting equipment, to go on different tours just to make proper content. And whenever this channel kicks off and I have millions of subscribers and making a lot of money, then you guys could get a dividend payout. You could get some of the profits from this YouTube channel. You can even voice your opinions and what content would you like to see. That's another route of this whole NFT thing. I will never get there. I am not a big YouTuber. I am not that popular for people to buy an NFT. But fun and joke aside, this can revolutionize the space for creators of any field. As it pertains to creating an NFT, I have no idea. I just know that it is a part of the blockchain and it is based upon the same technology as Ethereum. If you guys want to see a breakdown of how they construct or create NFTs, there's a lot of programmers on YouTube that will show you the process of actually creating an NFT. If you want to buy NFTs, then you will have to have cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency of choice would be Ethereum. So after purchasing Ethereum from any service, for instance Coinbase, you would then sign up with a website, one of which that I know is called niftygateway.com, and then you would just purchase the NFT through that platform. But this is not the only platform. The platform can be created also by the creator. You go on there just like an e-commerce website and purchase this NFT whenever this creator chooses to announce it or has a drop date. NFTs allow creators to not give up ownership to their work to corporations, and for that I think this is an awesome space and it is limitless in its opportunities. In the meantime guys, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. This has been Demetress Fairman, and until next time, sooner or later.